Hello, my wonderful physics students. Welcome to week 4 of remote learning. This week should be pretty simple. So head to Canvas like usual, and we're finishing up Unit 8 today. So you're going to scroll down to the bottom of Unit 8, and you'll see that for this week, we only have one item that needs to be accomplished. You need to take the quiz for this unit. It's all on Canvas there. So a couple things with this quiz. First thing I want you to know is I'm going to go into PowerSchool and I'm going to change. Currently I have it set up where your exams are 90% of your grade and assessments are 10% of your grade. I'm going to change that to a 50-50. So your assignments have just as much weight as the exam does, okay? So this quiz is going to go into that exam category. Here's what your week should probably look like. Tuesday, Wednesday, let's get some study time in for this exam. So go back and look at the readings and maybe add to your notes. Go through, maybe do the self-checks again and remind yourself about material from this unit. And then once you've gotten that study time done, Tuesday, Wednesday, then Thursday, Friday-ish, I would be finishing this exam. Remember that this exam is open notes. So take good notes for your reading sections so that you can then perform well on this quiz. Okay? Be mindful of due dates. And the other item that I want to let you know is I will do test corrections for any questions that you get wrong. So you should be able to get your score back and see what questions you get wrong. And then if you email me test corrections for the questions you got wrong, which is just explaining the correct answer, not just telling me what it is, then I'll give you half of your missing points back. Okay? So that's what needs to be accomplished this week for all my physics students, the high school and the CE students. If you have any questions about this, send me an email and I'll get right back to you. Now, I need to take a moment to talk to just my CE students. So if you're just regular physics with tech and you're not doing the CE, then you're good to go. Okay. So my CE students, I just want to remind you that our CE exam for sound is due tomorrow. So today is Monday, April the 13th, and the due date for your sound exam for the college is tomorrow, Tuesday, April 14th, and that needs to be done before midnight. A few of you have signed your honesty contracts and sent me a picture of them, and to those individuals I emailed them back the code to the exam, but there's still a good chunk of us that haven't done this yet. Now with the high school, we have more flexibility with due dates and things like that, but unfortunately for the college we don't have that same flexibility. So if there's something going on and there's you have a legitimate reason why you cannot get this exam done before tomorrow by midnight, you better be emailing me as soon as you can so that we can see what options and what adjustments we might be able to make. Okay, so for your exam, if you haven't done it yet, you need to head to canvas.dixie.edu and then you log in with your Dixie ID and password. You're going to go to Physics 1010 and you're going to go to Assignments, and then you're going to scroll down to the sound exam and you're going to click on that and it's going to ask for a code. And again, you don't get that code until you email me your honesty contract. If you need more guidance about what's going on with this exam, view the YouTube video for last week because I give much more detailed instructions there. Okay guys, if you have any questions about this, email me and get this done as soon as possible. I don't want your college grade to hurt because you missed out on this deadline, and I know that times are hard right now and something might be going on in your life that's keeping you from being able to hit this timeline, this due date. So if something's going on, just communicate that with me and then let me be able to advocate for you and do what I can to get you that exam, but you have to be letting me know. We have to be talking about it, okay? All right, guys. I will talk to you next week, and you can get on to Dixie's Canvas and see your score for your exam as well. Okay, bye.